Howdy. I know it's been a while, but life has kind of gotten in the way of me recording videos. Been real busy. Had some new grandbabies. Had a new grandbaby daughter, Liberty. She was born in July, and just had a grandson born this month, Cadron Martin. And so been busy. What I got here is a Dyson vacuum. It's a DC33, and this was a freebie. It was given to me. Cleaned it up. We've used it for a year. Got some use out of it, but it's dying. So I went and ordered some parts, and I don't have my. Can't find my. Actually, my tripod I left over at my daughter's, so I wanted to film this because I need to get this back together and get over to the church and vacuum it. So what I'm doing is I'm replacing some parts. This is the old clutch, and you can see how this is stretched. This is the new one. You can see it's nice and tight. So once we get that in and get it going, it ought to clean a lot better and pick up and beat better. Here's the new brush roll. This is the old one. This is the cover that goes over it goes over the clutch. It goes in here, goes down in here, and there's 3 screws that hold it on. There's one there, and one over here. And you need to have a T15. Needs to be at least 4 inches long, because one of the screws is right there, and it goes down in a ways. So I also got new filters. Those are the old filters. The new ones are already in the vacuum. I got a new sole plate. This is the old one. There's some spots that got rusty and they don't want to turn, and the sole plate I think was like $19–20 for the sole plate. So I got a new sole plate. I think all the parts total was like $85 or $90, and doing a little tune-up on the vacuum. And I got to put it back together. So I don't know if there's anything else I wanted to tell you. Oh, these are the parts you got to take off. And like I said, I would have shown you taking it off, but I don't have my tripod. They say you need a tool to take this belt off, but I did it with I just used the T15 to take it off. So I got to put it all back together and get over to the church. I don't know if I'll get this video up right away. This is a few days before Christmas. It's the 22nd, so Merry Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year. Alrighty, thanks, talk to you soon. Happy motoring.